That's key. You don't have to use AI. You don't have to use value-added selling. You can sell on price. Heaven help you if your competition's doing the opposite. They're going to sell more, they're going to sell for more, they're going to sell faster. So you have to make a choice right now. Have you checked your social media this week? I'm talking to everybody on the call. Have you checked your social media this week? Well, of course you have. You opened your Netscape browser and went to your MySpace account to see what was going on, right? Those were the first. They were the kings. And now where are they? So when we look at all these AI engines, some will be absorbed into others. We're going to see Microsoft, as usual, buy up a lot of good technology. We're going to see a lot of innovators, but we're going to see some people go away simply because they could not or would not keep up.